Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show you and tell you how to change your age in TikTok or how to change your date of birth in TikTok. Please subscribe to the channel. Give me likes. Let's get started. To do this, we're going to go to TikTok. And then we're going to go to the bottom right corner of your profile. And I want to tell you right away that unfortunately in TikTok, we can change our date of birth only once, when we registered. But we can also do it in one more way. Click on the three bars in the top right corner, Settings and Privacy. Scroll down here, click on Report a Problem, and wait for it to load like this. Now we're going to open up the various settings. And we need to write a little letter to TikTok, where we'll ask him to change our age. To do that, we'll go here. Here we click on Account and Profile. It'll load again like this. Click Edit Profile. And down here at the bottom, click here. And then it goes back to this download. Click on We have a problem. Help me fix it. And then as you can see, I've already written the text. We can write a text like this, asking to have my date of birth changed. Because when I registered, I wrote it wrong. You can write your date of birth at once. Maybe they will tell you that you need to enter. You must show your passport to confirm. So you click on the photo. Take a photo and send it to them, and click Send. That's how you can change your age or your date of birth on TikTok. And there's another way to do it. It's just go back to the main menu. And we just need to change our account. So we click, and here we click Add Account, and we create it again. And when we create it, we enter the correct date of birth, and we'll have a new profile. That's how you can do it. If you liked this video, you can subscribe to the channel. Like it. Goodbye.